Namaste friends, I am Jayalakshmi Ravichandran signing in on behalf of Magic Needles. This day I am here with pattern 35 which is worked with Hobby Store special DK yarn from Magic Needles. Its color is blush and its color code is 1833. This pattern requires multiples of 6 plus 1 stitches or multiples of 6 plus 3 chains if you do it as an individual project. Once again we are having one extra stitch here which will be adjusted at the end of the first row and the beginning of the second row. That is, all odd rows will have one extra at the end, even rows will begin with one extra in the beginning. So to begin with, make a standing double crochet, make one more double crochet in the next stitch. Now skip 2 and make 2dc, chain 1, 2dc, all in the same stitch. You can call it 2dc V stitch. Now skip 2 and make a DC in the next one. This is similar to the previous one, only the difference is we are having 2dc V stitch in between and we are skipping 2 stitches. And skip 2, make 2dc V stitch. Skip 2, 1dc, skip 2, 2dc V stitch. Continue this till the end. I shall meet you at the end of this row. We have come to the end of the row here, so I place my DC after skipping the 2 stitches, and to end the pattern I place my DC, the next one. But I'll have one extra, so I'm not going to count that, but I'm going to work on it. Turn your work. Place your standing DC here. Pattern begins here, so place your DC. And in this stitch, make a back post DC. Now you're not working on the next 2 DCs, but you're going to work only in chain 1 spaces. So here you're going to make your double crochet V stitch, and here you're going to make your back post. You're not working on the DCs containing the chain 1 or the DCs work together here. These DCs are not worked at all. You'll work only in chain 1 space and the single DCs that you worked on in the last row. So here again back post DC. Continue working DC V stitch, 2 DC V stitch in each of the chain 1 spaces and back post DCs on the single DCs that you see in the row. I shall meet you at the end over here. I've come to the end of the row. So here back post DC and your normal DC in the very last stitch here. So pick up that V here, that will be hiding to the side because I had done my standing DCs, so it will be little difficult to pick it up. Yeah, turn your work. So begin the row with a standing DC here. Front post double crochet on the next one. then do 2 DC V stitch in the chain 1 space. You're not working on the DCs holding the chain 1 space, but you'll work in the next back post DC that you did in the last one. There you'll place your front post DC. So this is a pattern repeat. Wherever you have the single DCs, standalone DCs not holding the chain 1 space, you will be working either back post or front post as per the row instructions, and in every chain 1 space you will be placing your 2 DC V stitch in this pattern. So I shall continue this pattern and meet you at the end over here, you to finish it and continue. I've come to the end of the row here. So place 1 DC each on the next 2 DCs. So for the blanket pattern, I'm going to stop with this and make 1 DC on each of the DCs and 1 DC in chain 1 space. That will fetch you the required number of DCs that you started with. So I shall complete the DC row and get back to you. This is how the pattern looks. So you have the V stitch between the front post and back post cables. Thank you friends for watching this video. I shall meet you with the next pattern in the next video. Have a great day. Bye for now.